Good morning and a warm welcome to everyone. I'm Kishore Pathak, member of Group AA. We are three members in the group, Lovelin Kaur Khandal and Janisa Kesi. Our group is presenting the impact of COVID-19 on the share prices of BHP Group Limited. Let's go through the slides. The purpose of this presentation is to examine the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the share price of BHP Group Limited, a mining, metals and natural gas petroleum company headquartered in Australia. BHP Group operates globally with operation in more than 90 locations, including Australia, USA, Canada, and others. The company produces various resources such as copper, iron ore, nickel, metallurgical coal, potash, and petroleum. The operations of BHP Group were significantly affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, which in turn impacted the company's financial results in 2020 when the pandemic was at its peak. The COVID-19 pandemic had a widespread impact on global businesses, including the mining industry. The global stock market and commodities markets were greatly affected by the pandemic. However, the negative shock to the market resulted in a drop in stock prices. Due to the panic selling caused by the impact of COVID-19, BHP Group shares fell by more than 30% from February to early March 2020. Australian benchmark index also fell due to the impact of COVID-19, with mining stocks falling 2.4% in July 2020, with mining including 2.9% drop in BHP Group shares. During the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic, BHP Group shares price witnessed a significant decline. The impact of COVID-19 was not limited to BHP Group alone, but had a broader effect on the Australian benchmark index and mining stocks in general. The Australian benchmark index experienced a decline due to the impact of COVID-19. Now, I want to request my friend Lovelin to present the other slides. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Lovelin Kaur Khandal. Today, we're going to present a topic of impact of COVID-19 on share price of BHP Group Limited. One of my group members, he already discussed about the impact of COVID-19 on share price of BHP Group and share price decline of BHP Group during COVID-19. Now I'm gonna discuss furthermore like negative returns and damping of investor risk appetite. January to April 2020, COVID-19 cases increased, leading to a negative returns of 21.67%. Negative returns driven by investors' concern about potential economic recession in key mining. Negative return driven by investors' concern about potential economic recessions in key mining markets like China. Increased in COVID-19 cases in January 2020, damped investor risk appetite. Moreover, if we talk about operational challenges and economic instability, impact of COVID-19 on BHP Group extended beyond share price decline. First of all, operational challenges faced by a company due to pandemic, economic instability in Australia, mining sector, and overall economy. Challenges included supply chain distributions, labor shortage, and implementation of safety measures, impacted companies' operational efficiency, financial performances, and share price as well. And thirdly, impact of flat demand and iron ore prices decline. March 2020, BHP Group stock prices faced pressure due to flat demand, decline in iron ore prices. COVID-19 pandemic led to decrease in global demand for commodities, including iron ore, decline in demand along with pandemic distribution caused drop in iron ore prices. And if we talk about decline in annual profit and share price volatility, COVID-19 effect on BHP Group's financial performance seeded annual profit for 2020. Decline in annual profits by 4.3% compared to previous years. Decline primarily attributed to COVID-19 impact, including panic selling and sharp fall in share price in March 2020. Volatility in share price reflected uncertainties and challenges faced by company and mining sector. There are a few steps that I discussed with Now I'm gonna call my one of other group member to discuss furthermore. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jinisa Kesi. Today I'm going to present about economic impact of COVID-19 in BHP's business. The BHP is one of the world's largest natural resources company. The BHP industry was significantly affected by COVID-19 pandemic as COVID-19 inducted lockdowns, travel restriction and health concern created lots of challenge in market demand of BHP groups. Uncertain market condition had impacted directly to stock prices. BHP had faced loss of production, disruption in balancing workforce age, which leads of employee were infected by COVID-19, which leads labor shortage. The pandemic caused significant fluctuation in commodity demand and supply. And moving to the next slide. Contraction in global demand and stock value. The pandemic has caused lots of fluctuation in demand for commodity and and sales revenue and share prices. Because of COVID-19, BHP faced lots of challenge in market value and share prices. And next slide is about recovery and positive growth post after COVID-19. As economy and industrial activity started, material used in renewable technology, while each one of the upgradable thing in mining industry. On the other hand, because of travel restriction and block border, companies focused on domestic supply. Certain minerals like gold, iron, petroleum, each increased supply has increased positively, with reduced supply chain risk leading to increased exploration and development activities. And last slide is about ongoing impact and conclusion. As operating activities has affected by pandemic, the demand of mining products has lower demand for their products. Some mining products, gold, iron, coal, and petroleum, experienced increased demand. The industry also faced challenge related to workforce as travel restriction and border closure made it difficult to bring in or rotate workforce. The pandemic has faced mining industries to adoption new technology, advanced technology, and this technology has helped to improve cost saving and enhanced safety measures. Thank you.